Face-off review. Hi, Kerry from Drew Creative Marketing, and welcome to our channel where we show you how to make money online with affiliate marketing with honest reviews, tips, and training every week. So be sure to hit the big red subscribe button down below. So Faceoff actually launched yesterday on the 19th of June 2021 on the Warrior Plus network, and it's brought to you by Trevor Carr, Jonas Lindgren, Douglas February, and Evelina Sturbright. Now, what is Faceoff? Well, Faceoff actually is a copy and paste hack for fast cash, and that's what it says on the sales page. It also says it's a totally done for you solution to make cash this week by borrowing a super affiliates reviews, and it talks about 100% beginner friendly. It's rinse and repeat, proven system for consistent affiliates commissions, A to Z income system including traffic. Now I've highlighted that because I've got a question about that. No need to make videos or be on camera, stay 100% anonymous, and everything you need to succeed is inside. There's done for you conversion boosters and free tools to skyrocket your system. So there is the random Warrior Plus commissions there, but in the sales video it actually shows you where they come from. Then there are two reviews, one from John Newman and one from, I can't remember the guy's name, he did say it, but he's actually talking about what the program is about, and this shows you inside the training program. So you can get this for $7.95. If you move the mouse, it usually gives you a $5 discount, so it should normally be $12.95. Now let's pop into the training. Now before we start with this, I had an issue. I couldn't actually log on, so I contacted support to say I couldn't log on. Within about 10 minutes, I had a reply. They explained what the issue was. I knew what it was because it was, for some reason, Groove Member, where the training is, wasn't linking with Groove Sell, which actually processes and creates your Groove account. So they dealt with it very quickly. It came back. They gave me a new link. I clicked on that link, and then it took about an hour before it populated, but I did actually get in. And then I had a further email from support, or from Doug, actually giving me an OTO1 upgrade. So I was really impressed with that support. So let's say what this isn't. This training isn't about actually creating videos at all. So it is not about creating faceless YouTube videos so that you can actually be using YouTube as a traffic method. It is not that at all. It is about actually creating bridge pages and opt-in pages, and on your bridge page actually using the sales video or using Jono Armstrong's videos that he gives you permission to use, where he explains what different products are, and you also get links to actual different bonuses that are usually in a program called Bonus Crate. So that's where all these bonuses are actually coming from, and that is what this is, the done for you part on the sales page. That is the done for you. You get 5 of those, and they're all to different products. Now, would you promote these products? I don't know. You need to go in and actually check them out. You do actually get access to the 5 products in the bonus area, so you can actually see what they are, test them out, and see if they are right for your audience. Some of them might be, some of them might not be. Then you've also got training from Evelina Sturbright. She actually does this special 10K announcement. Now you are automatically registered for this webinar, and it's from Trevor Carr. It's your email sort of gets sent saying that you have been registered, and it says learn how to make 10K plus a month in 30 days, and that is for the high ticket Ministry of Freedom from Jono Armstrong. Now I cannot comment on that because I have not seen it, I've not tried it, I've not tested it, so I cannot comment on Ministry of Freedom, but you can check out those interviews. Then the main training. So the main training is actually brought to you by Douglas February, and it's actually quite good. He actually explains to you the whole process of affiliate marketing, that you need to actually send traffic to a opt-in page that then goes to a bridge page that then goes to a sales page, or you can just send them straight from the traffic to a bridge page and then to an opt-in page, and then if they do purchase, you actually create the opt-in where the bonus is, so that you're building a bonus list. So it's actually explaining all the process for you. And they've also wrote a script out for you to apply for the different affiliate products, which are those ones down in the bonus that I showed you. And then he goes through and actually walks you through how to actually do that. And he also explains how to embed codes for videos from Wistia and Vimeo. And you also get access to this resource sheet. Now, this resource sheet is where the 5 done for you information is. Now, your bridge pages are all built in sites for Google or Google Sites, which is all free for you to use. Also, your bonus page can be built in sites, and he shows you how to do that, and he shows you how to actually hide those. Now, if you don't want to be promoting Jonah Armstrong's stuff, and you want to promote your own stuff, or you want to promote other people's affiliate stuff, you can be using these different methods that they are showing you. So in that way, the training is actually quite good. Then he actually walks through, it shows you how to edit those bridge pages, but also in the free resources and the build sustainable Faceoff income, he actually shows you how to create your own template. And then again, like I said, he shows you how to create the bonus page to deliver them. And then he actually talks you through how to actually build opt-in pages using GetResponse. Now, GetResponse is a very good tool. GetResponse is not only an autoresponder, but you can also build landing pages, full web pages, and even e-commerce in GetResponse. So here he actually teaches you how to actually build your opt-in pages from there, which is really good. But then it talks about using solo ads. So on here, it does actually say an income system including traffic. So that's your traffic is coming from solo ads. But he also mentions on the sales page some free methods. Now, the free methods are talked about here, and they are using both Facebook and Twitter. And actually, the training is not bad. Tells you how to go about doing it, how not to spam people, and how to do it in a proper way. Now, this he talks about how to actually look for solo ad vendors, how to find them without the scammers. Now, personally, I do not recommend using solo ads, especially if you're a newbie. There's so many ways to actually lose your money. There's better ways of building your list than solo ads, and I will be creating a video showing you why I do not recommend solo ads. Then here he talks about how to create your autoresponder, how to actually create automations so you can be promoting and giving value to your list. And then here, building your buyer list, and that's how to actually create an opt-in page in order to get your bonuses. So you would link that in Warrior Plus as an opt-in page, they'd sign in and then they'd get the bonus, and you have got your buyer list being built, which is a good idea. And then there is a conclusion to actually talk to you about how to carry on. And like I say, these extra training here is building your own bridge page, editing your own template, and then this is showing you how to actually do your 5 free traffic from Twitter, free targeted traffic from Facebook, and then your bonuses here are all the done for you ones that he's showing you. And then this is the upgrades, which was the 20 done for you. Now, some of these products I personally would not recommend. In fact, I've made a video on that 10 commission X, why I wouldn't promote it. I've also done one on Scratch, and I think I've just done one on Zest, which was mentioned. Yes. So in itself, this is not bad training. It is telling you what affiliate marketing is, and it is about not using YouTube as traffic or using yourself as a traffic method or promoting yourself. So if that's what you want, this will actually walk you through it. Now there is some OTOs, and like I said, I got access to OTO 1, which is 20 done for you products. Well, not the products, but 20 done for you packages. So the Google sites, the videos on them, but he also actually shows you how to do it without using the done for you ones. And basically what you need to do is, when you're promoting a certain thing, he shows you how to actually take the sales video. You need to actually ask the vendor if you can use the sales video. Most of them actually give you the raw code to use it, but you should actually ask them. There's none of this ethically steal videos and ethically steal reviews and things. There's none of that in this training, so I'm very impressed with that. OTO 2 is the big face-off. It's Trevor Carr's best products for less than $1. And then OTO 3 is the big face-off 40 upgrade packet 2021 edition. And again, this is 40 of Trevor Carr's products. Then you can also buy the resale rights to actually earn 100% on the entire funnel. And don't forget, there's the front end and 5 OTOs. And then there's $97. This is full members area with 4 times approximately 1 hour webinar replays, in which I teach my students exactly what I would do to make fast cash. And I do believe that that's Trevor Carr that's actually training those bits. But Doug is quite a good trainer on this. So I was quite impressed with this program. The only issue I've got is that you would be promoting some of Jonah Armstrong products. Some of them don't work. Some of them have very grey hat techniques. But if you use the methods that's in this training on other products that are ethically good, you would also be making money. So in that sense, you could actually be making money within the week, if you have built-in traffic already from either Facebook or Twitter and you've already got a list. But is it newbie friendly? Yes, you could actually create all this without needing a lot of tech headache. So overall, I didn't think this was a bad product. So I'd give it a 5 out of 10, purely because I don't think it's a bad product. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button either.